Happy Thursday! I cannot believe that we only have one more day of school after this. So today we're going to do a drawing, a following directions drawing. So you are going to need a blank piece of paper and crayons or markers. Either are fine, I don't care how you do this drawing, but you're going to need some colors of some sort. Then I'm going to give you some directions and you are going to draw it on your paper. Then you're going to send me a picture so that I know you did it, and I also want to see how your drawings turned out. At the end of the video, I will show you my drawing so that you can see if our drawings are similar, if you followed the directions carefully. Some of these directions are one step, so that means I only give you one direction. Some of them are 2 steps, meaning that there are 2 directions in one. And then some are 3-step, meaning there's three parts to your direction. So you need to listen very carefully. If you are maybe around other people and it's kind of noisy, it might be a good idea to move away, go to your bedroom, maybe find a different spot that's a little quieter, so that you can listen to all these directions. I'm also going to drop a hint in one. So I'm not going to tell you what the hint is, so you need to listen really carefully. There's going to be a hint so that you can do the last direction. I hope you all know the answer to this one already because I let you know often. So hopefully you've picked up on it, but we'll see. All right, so make sure you have your markers or crayons and a blank piece of paper before you begin this activity. So direction number 1. Draw a yellow sun in the top left corner of your paper. I'll read that again. Draw a yellow sun in the top left corner of your paper. If it helps you, pause this video. You can go back and watch it as many times as you want. But if you're taking a long time to draw something, I'm going to try to give enough time between each direction, but go ahead and pause the video until you're ready. That's okay too. Number 2, draw green grass along the whole bottom of your paper. Draw green grass along the whole bottom of your paper. Again, if you need to, pause this video. Otherwise, I'll give a couple seconds before I move on to the next direction. Number 3, all right, listen carefully. Draw 2 gray clouds at the top of your paper. Do not color them in. Draw 2 gray clouds at the top of your paper. Do not color them in. All right, number 4, this is kind of a long one, so make sure you're listening. Draw 1 tall tree on the right side of your paper. So draw 1 tall tree on the right side of your paper. Use brown for the tree trunk and green for the leaves. You can color it in or just leave the outline. So I'll read that whole thing again. Draw 1 tall tree on the right side of your paper. Use brown for the tree trunk and green for the leaves. You can add color in it or just leave the outline. Number 5. Using red, draw a swing set with 2 swings in the middle of your page so that the legs of the swing set touch the grass. All right, that's kind of a long one. So using red, draw a swing set with 2 swings in the middle of your page so that the legs of the swing set touch the grass. Again, if I'm moving too fast for you, please pause the video until you're ready. If you need to rewind, you can go ahead and rewind and listen to these directions as many times as you need to. Number 6. On the left swing, draw a girl with an orange dress, because it's my favorite color, and brown hair. On the left swing, draw a girl with an orange dress. How come? Because it's my favorite color, and brown hair. Number 7. On the right swing, draw a boy with a blue shirt, black pants, and brown hair. That's a 3-step direction. So there's 4-step direction actually. Draw a boy on the right swing with a blue shirt, black pants, brown hair. So there's 4 things you need to do in that one. So since this one is kind of a long one, I will read it again. On the right swing, draw a boy with a blue shirt, black pants, brown hair. This one kind of has a lot of steps, so I'm just going to give a few seconds before I move on to the next one. On the right swing, draw a boy with a blue shirt, black pants, and brown hair. Right, number 8. Draw 3 bluebirds under the sun. Draw 3 bluebirds under the sun. All right, number 9. Using black, give the sun a smiley face. Using black, give the sun a smiley face. All right, 10. This is our last direction before I show you our picture, or before I show you my picture. Again, please make sure you're taking a picture and sending it to me because I would love to see how your pictures turned out. All right, number 10. This is the one I told you were gonna have to listen for the clue. That was kind of tricky. Using Mrs. Benson's favorite color, write your name in the cloud. What was my favorite color? I said it. Using Mrs. Benson's favorite color, write your name in the cloud. Come on. I tell you all the time what my favorite color is. I hope you can remember. All right, so I'm going to show you how my picture turned out. Again, please take pictures because I would love to see your picture. We all know Mrs. Benson is not an artist. Those are some birds. Doesn't really look like a bird, but that's okay. My favorite color is what? Orange. In the directions I said you could color in your tree trunk and your leaves. I chose not to. If you chose to color that in, that's okay too. But this is what your picture should look like. All right. That's all I have for you today. I hope you have a great rest of your Thursday. See you later.